Is NHG, the National Mortgage Guarantee, available to expats in the Netherlands? The short answer is yes. The National Mortgage Guarantee is available not only for Dutch citizens, but also for any expat. During this video, I'll explain more about this. The National Mortgage Guarantee is a safety net provided by the government that if you cannot pay for your mortgage anymore, that the Homeowners Guarantees Fund, which is Waarborgfonds Eigen Woning in Dutch, part of the Dutch government, will guarantee the repayment of your mortgage. Therefore, it becomes less risky for a mortgage provider to provide you with a mortgage, and this will be translated into a lower interest rate if you take out a mortgage with this National Mortgage Guarantee. This interest rate is roughly 0.5% lower than without this National Mortgage Guarantee. For a house of 400,000 euro, this might save you more than 100 euros gross in monthly payments. In order to qualify for a mortgage under NHG, conditions and standards are drawn up annually, which you have to comply with as a borrower. Who qualifies for NHG? To make use of the NHG, the purchase price may not exceed 450,000 euro in 2025, and this limit changes every year. There are specific income requirements. Someone with a fixed contract must be able to present a declaration of intent for a permanent contract, and a self-employed person must have earned an income for at least 12 months from his or her business. Standards also apply to the house. For example, the value of the house must be determined by a validated appraisal report. If payment problems occur during the mortgage term due to occupational disability, unemployment, your partner's death, or divorce, and there is no other option than to sell the house with a negative home equity, then the residual debt will be waived. Take note, when transferring a substantial amount in savings, it can possibly be less attractive to take out a mortgage with the National Mortgage Guarantee. The more savings you transfer, the more your interest advantage decreases. We have listed the advantages and disadvantages for you. What are the advantages of NHG? A high discount on your mortgage interest rate as the lender runs a lower risk. Are you in default due to disability, unemployment, death of your partner, or divorce? Then there are possibilities to temporarily resolve the situation, such as an interest-free period or partial debt collection. The mortgage payments can also be temporarily decreased. This is referred to as the mortgage payment facility. A possible residual debt, which remains in the event of a forced sale, can be waived under certain conditions. What are the disadvantages? You have the one-time cost of 0.5% of the total mortgage. So if you buy a house of 400,000, you'll have to pay a one-time fee of 1,600 euros. This is also tax deductible, and since the interest rates are much lower with the National Mortgage Guarantee than without, normally you already regain this fee within 2 to 3 years. Another disadvantage is that it's only available for a maximum purchase price of 450,000 euro in 2025. So this is all you need to know about the National Mortgage Guarantee. If you'd like to have more mortgage tips, make sure to click here.